So our journey to Germany's highest peak, the Zugspitze, begins.
Little huts
Not that we're going to see a lot at the top, if I'm brutally honest, but we shall see. Cross over to Dipsy-Dee's side. She's been a typical tourist.
I am. I can see the snow. And all the little huts.
She's mesmerised with all the huts at the minute.
And
She wants to take a fake picture of the Great Escape hut. I'm not lying though, am I?
Yeah, you are.
Here I am.
Well, we've come out of Austria, so it's a bit late, isn't it? You're now in Germany.
Well, we're starting the climb up now. A little bit of history for you. The actual train itself was built between 1928 to 1930. I think all sections were complete around July 1930, something like that. Total length, 19.5 k's. So it's knocking on in length. We're now at the Zugspitze barn, Quebec. Maximum speed, 70 k's an hour. And that's probably down there without the brakes on. Not that we want to go down there without the brakes on. So yeah, absolutely, again, an amazing bit of history. Total cost, those interested, to get from from Garmisch basically up to the top via the train and the cable car for 2 people is €144.
Yeah, 144 it was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
144. Dipsy-Dee's doing a touristy bit on the other side of the train out the window.
I am.
Stage 2 of the journey, we're going from Dipsy up to the top of the Zugspitze now.
Yeah, it's quite high and this is full.
We've just been going through the emergency procedures for Dipsy-Dee. Old hatches up there.
Yeah, it's fine,
As you can see,
a long
if you're
drop down.
claustrophobic, it's probably not for you.
Oh my gosh.
Ears are definitely popping. You can actually see the scarring on the rock where the glacier has actually been in the past, probably. I've never walked on this one, but I've certainly walked down it. You can go into the Hollow Teleclamp, which is a walk in and out of the gorge.
Oh, we're going in the mist now. Here's a pup for the 4th time.
You're not looking.
I'm looking straight ahead.
She's not looking out, bless her.
We're going into the mist. Oh my god.
Wait for this view, guys.
Oh wow. It's breathtaking.
Literally breathtaking.
And it's...
Literally breathtaking.
Wow. The sky.
Worth it?
How amazing is that?
I'm going to go a bit higher. Watch me footing. Definitely ain't seen much on this side, have we?
There's a bit of a fog.
But our house? Oh yes.
Is it?
Definitely
Somewhere
not
down
seeing
there.
much there.
That's where we came from. Oh dear. Wow. Oh, a bit chilly round here.
Hmm? Probably might have to have a beer later on.
You will. Definitely. We'll have Zugspitze.
Ah, look at this here now. So guys, yeah, if you ever come to Germany, come to Bavaria, definitely come to the Allgäu.
We could have gone sledging. Okay.
Like I say, expensive. I say expensive, 144. That's for the train from Farchant all the way up to, obviously, to Garmisch, up on the cable car. There's one going down there.
Oh, can we go down to the snow?
God, have a look around here, it's just taking us. The wind is really making it really difficult to grab his breath.
It's bloody freezing and blowing a bloody gale.
I don't know what the temperature is, but it's not short weather. Oh, where's Dipsy-Dee? God and bloody Bennett. Oh, this is Austria, is it? I think this is the Austrian side.
We will stick a few. Is it? Are we in Austria? Everybody else
Stick it higher.
on. I'll put a couple on. Someone's put about 5 on there. I'll notice them.
This is Dipsy-Dee leaving a mark again.
I am. I can't get the sticker off. Proof I've been up here. Anybody who wants to come and see? Put a couple together. I can't get it off. Dipsy-Dee. Take a picture. I'm here. It's me. It's me. I'm here. I should have gone fine with the music last night.
Was?
Was?
Take your bloody hat off.
No, I can't because my hair's a mess.
Your hair's a mess.
Yeah. I had my helmet on, but my hair's a mess. Is it snowing?
Oh.
I think it's snowing, guys. Which window are we going out? It is a nice and very slippy
Oh, look,
foot.
what's up here?
It's icy. Up there, that's to the lift, isn't it? Is it? I don't know.
No, I don't think it is.
know. Where are we going? No food or drink, so we're going to. Ooh, we're going up. We're going up. Oh, what do we see?
Oh, caught yourself. Huh?
Oh, it's snowflakes. It's probably the formation of snowflakes. Mush damper. Oh, there's a goat over there. It is pretty amazing up here. Just the formation of the snowflakes. I look at the size of me in this.
Mm-hmm. Always getting her head in the way. A good shot.
Another one with some stickers. I haven't got any more stickers left.
You what?
I've got no more stickers left. I've stuck them all on me. Oh, buggery.
Hmm?
Is it cold snow?
Is it cold snow?
I hear
Did you just hear that? Is it cold snow? You just say that with a straight face.
I don't know.
Is it cold snow? Jesus Christ. No wonder I'm going bloody grey, viewers. Bloody hell. She has the audacity to say to me, shove your mouth full of bloody Haribo, stop
Oh,
your
I've got
moaning.
some more. Look, I've got some more stickers. We're fine. Bloody hell, how many did I put in my bag?
Good.
It's alright, guys, it's cold.
Oh, she's all over it again.
I am.
We're on tour, folks.
We're up there with the football.
We're officially stickered at Germany's highest mountain on the Austrian side, Zugspitze.
Sun's out, everybody. The sun's out on the highest mountain.
You all right, Dipsy-Dee?
I'm fine, the sun's coming out.
Are you talking to me? Oh, Dipsy-Dee.
You cheeky bugger. You go off,
Getting
people,
more
you
bloody
know.
sense out of this. Is the snow cold? You ignore it.
Well, that makes sense.
No,
He'd
is
know
the
more
snow
than
cold?
me.
Is the snow cold?
Your mum.
Where's she gone now? Right, last bit of footage, guys, so I'll switch off, show you the Dipsy.
Look how
Down
blue
there.
it is.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
I don't take a picture. I'm going to drop my phone. I don't know what that looks like.
We have been so lucky with the weather. I'm just saying there's more in here than you think.
Look, there's them building the tree and all the way up.
Yeah, that's what we were talking about on the way up, actually.
Can't imagine they're building it though.
Dipsy-Dee's mobile phone.
My mobile phone? Yeah. You just need a slap, you.
Oh yeah, whenever you come to Germany, you've got to have currywurst and pommes.
It smells lovely.
Okay, here we go.
It really does smell lovely.
This will be Dipsy-Dee's first currywurst and pommes.
With my beer.
And beer and radler. So if you want a shandy, it's a radler. And just a beer or a grocer beer is lovely. Oh, look
It
at
looks
that
like a
bad boy.
chorizo sausage.
A meal with a view.
Fab. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Let's go before we've got a duck. Canard. Say that again, Rodney. You stay there, mister. This is...
She's a naughty duck.
Right, let's just open them. Let's switch that off.
Oh dear.
So, verdict Dipsy-Dee on your currywurst, mit pommes, mit mayo.
It's nice, yeah. It's just like a smoked sausage, isn't it? It's, yeah, smoked sausage with a curry sauce. It's tingling on the tongue a little bit. A little bit. It's not hot, but
That's
it's
probably your
tingling.
beer, or your shandy,
Possibly.
your radler. But yeah, it's been a great day, great morning.
Yes.
Dipsy-Dee's German's coming up.
Not much.
Not
Make a difference.
Should say beer now.
I can.
But yeah, it's all good.
Look, I'll show you. It's like red. Can you see? It's like red. Red inside. It's like chorizo, but it's not as chewy as
You do get different currywurst though.
That's it.
So I don't know if it's a regional thing, depending what sort of currywurst they use, what sort of sausage they use.
And it's a bit curry.
But you know, they always put paprika on. Normally they put lots of paprika on the pommes too. But yeah.
Right, we'll eat our dinner in peace.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers, big ears. Shiny side up, guys. Watch me toes.